And I say, I count 50s, all in hundreds, that's that time flow, baby. I say stop me, no comparisons on that.
What's up, y'all? I'm back with another video, and today I'm gonna be showing you guys a braid out. So I'm about to just take my hair out of these braids, and then we're gonna see how it looks in the ending. And I'll get back to you. Alright, y'all, so I just took them out of the braids, and this is how it looks. I'm gonna give you guys a quick 360. So this is the front, this is the right side, this the other side, and the back. I mean, I like it. It's nice and curly and crinkly. So basically, it's like getting 2 retwists, because once you take these out, this is a whole nother style that you could wear. But yeah, it's gonna be a pretty short video. But yeah, let me know if you guys like it. Let me know if you guys like this, the braids, or when they're just straight hanging down and stuff. But yeah, let me know. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and please check out my last video, and I'll catch y'all in the next one.
They just wanna be like, I big dope in my lungs got me high. Said that she digging my vibe. She gon' look shitty when I ride by. Bout my business, no tie. When it come to this shit, is you or I. This ain't nobody in Clyde. Catch her down, pin his ass up tight. They just wanna be like, I big dope in my lungs got me high.